Yo, and the one down. One down, down, down. I feel I've got in your present, that's what I say. Straight. Yo. Because a lot of people don't have God in their present, you know. But when you put God in your present, ask Him for guidance and protection. Hear me, I say, man. I'm done. Hey. You have to ask God. You for guidance and protection, yo. You have to ask God. You for guidance and protection, yo. You have to ask God. You for guidance and protection, yo. You have to ask God. You for guidance and protection, yo. Never left me out without asking for guidance and protection, yo. So many things are happening out there, yo. You never can tell what can happen, yo. That's why you have to ask the Most High, yo, for guidance and protection, yo. Guidance and protection, yo. On the way to work, yo. On the way to your business, yo. This is the one I am now. Almighty God, yo. You have to have Him in your presence, yo. There's so many people that praise animal and I praise stuff, yo. Hear me now, yo. So many people that praise all Buddha, yo. Listen, this is one year, yo. Me I praise the Most High God, the Father, rain and shine the sun, yo. Hear me now, man, yo. Me I praise the God, the blow the breeze, yo. And give me health and strength, now. Hear me now, yo. Me nah praise nothing else, yo. But the Most High up above, yo. They ask God the guidance and protection, yo. You have to ask God. You for guidance and protection, yo. You have to ask God. You for guidance and protection, yo. You have to ask God. You for guidance and protection, yo. Yo. You have to ask God. You for guidance and protection, yo. You have to ask God. You for guidance and protection, yo. So many things are happening out there, yo. Never can tell what's happening to you now. That's why you have to ask the Most High, yo. God and protect you every step of the way now, yo. Me asking for God and protect me, yo, on the way to work and on the business, yo. Hey, I man, pan a really one gun, pan a really man, and me a chant, yo. Hey. Never left me out of my thing, hear me now, yo, yo. So many people praising, animal praising, Buddha, yo, praising, this and that, yo. Me a praise the Most High, God, the Father, rain and time the sun, yo. Hear me now, yo. No other God, me not praise, but the one that blow the breeze, yo. Hear me now, yo. Ask God for guidance and protection, yo. So many evil people around us, yo. So many wicked people out there, hear me now. No for no smile on your face, hear me now. Cause them no want to see a reason why, hear me now. Them want to jump your life out of you, hear me now. That's why me have to ask God and protection, yo. Me have to ask God for guidance and protection, yo. So you have to ask God for guidance and protection, yo. You have to ask God for guidance and protection, yo. You have to ask God, you for guidance and protection, yo. Can't do it alone, yo. I feel like the Most High, yo, for guide and protect me, no hear me now, yo. Because them I tried it alone, yo, and still on the shit to hear now. I feel like the Most High, I feel like the Most High, in your life, hear me now, yo. It no matter where you in your life, yo, call upon the Most High, yo. And you have been present around, you know, guide and protect you, you see if you may not pay. Ask God, happy ask God, happy ask God, for guidance and protection, yeah, yo. Me have to ask God, one done.